there's anything that can be done about the feral cats. Well, the feral cats are just creations of God. I think that they need food like we do, and shelter. But I think most of them live in the bushes. That's what makes them feral. Because feral means homeless, right? Or wild. So something needs to be done. What? I don't know.
Here we are on Moana Street. We just found a litter of ferals. Straight ahead, following. They seem to have been just born. Their eyes may not be open. Very quietly. Sneak up on the ferals. We will investigate their living conditions. The mother seems to have seen us. This is not uncommon.
Alright, feel free to pick up.
The kittens are adorable. I like them. They're really nice. But once they get bigger, they're not as cute anymore. And I don't like them so much.
At the PCC, I work at the luau, and there are some wild cats that come around after everybody has left. When we're eating, the workers are eating, and we feed them, and so they keep coming back.
Oh. Do you name them?
We found the source of the problem right here.
The feral cats, it is kind of sad because they're just chilling and they don't really have anywhere to go and probably no food. So we might feed this to them.
And the feral cats of Hawaii.
No, just let them be.
Let them be, okay.
They're not harming us.
So true.
Not like that.
I love feral cats. I think they're cute, and I feed them when I can, and if one approaches me, I get really excited. I get mad at people who talk to them and harm them, and they add a lot to Hawaii. Hawaii would do the same without them.
Yeah, but no, I think everyone's